Black smoke from your exhaust is a clear signal that your engine is running on a rich fuel mixture, too much fuel, not enough air, and is not combusting the fuel completely, leading to incomplete combustion and excess soot. Here is a summary of the common problems, the associated negative impacts, and the corresponding solutions. Cases. Number 1. Clogged air filter. Problem: a dirty or clogged air filter limits the amount of oxygen available for combustion. Result: the engine cannot burn fuel completely, resulting in black smoke and reduced performance. Solution: dirty air filter. Clean or replace dirty air filter. Number 2. Faulty fuel injectors. Injectors that are leaking, stuck open, or spraying incorrectly can deliver excess fuel to the cylinder. This excess fuel is not burned completely and is emitted as black smoke. Black smoke from a diesel engine indicates a malfunctioning fuel injector, causing incomplete combustion and soot. Other symptoms include rough idling, difficulty starting, reduced fuel economy, loss of power, and a raw fuel smell. These are signs of a rich fuel mixture where too much fuel is being injected into the combustion chamber. Solution: fuel injector servicing or replacement. Number 3. Faulty air mass sensor problems. The mass airflow (MAF) sensor measures the amount of air entering the engine. If it's faulty, it provides inaccurate data to the engine control unit. Result: the ECU can incorrectly inject too much fuel for the amount of air, leading to a rich mixture and black smoke. Solution: check sensor related fault code diagnosis. MAS airflow sensor. Clean or replace. Number 4. EGR valve failure problem. An exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) valve works by recirculating a portion of the engine's exhaust gas back into the engine cylinders, lowering combustion temperatures. This process helps improve engine efficiency, reduce fuel consumption in certain situations, and meet environmental regulations. An EGR valve clogged with excessive dirt recirculates excess exhaust gas back into the engine's combustion chamber. The result: this reduces the amount of oxygen available for combustion, resulting in incomplete combustion and black smoke, often at idle or low speeds. Solution: EGR valve. Clean or replace bad EGR valve. Number 5. Malfunctioning turbocharger intake air leaking. The core issue is an imbalance in the air-to-fuel ratio, AFR. Malfunctioning turbocharger. A failing turbocharger cannot efficiently compress and deliver the required amount of air, boost, into the engine's combustion chambers. Since the electronic control unit, ECU, may still be commanding a certain amount of fuel based on expected boost, the lack of air results in a fuel-rich condition and black smoke. Intake air leak. A leak in the intake system, such as in the hoses, pipes, or intercooler, often referred to as a boost leak in turbocharged systems, causes the engine to lose the pressurized air that the turbo is trying to deliver. Similar to a failed turbo, this reduces the air density entering the engine, leading to an air-starved, fuel-rich mixture. Black smoke come out from exhaust pipe. There are other reasons why a diesel engine may emit black smoke from its exhaust pipe, such as a faulty oxygen sensor in the engine management, incorrect valve clearance, incorrect fuel mixture, incorrect fuel use, damaged piston rings, low cylinder compression. A thorough diagnostic test is the best way to determine the exact cause before attempting repairs. Thank you very much for watching the full video.